Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can rotate a video on the iPhone 13 series running iOS 15. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on the Photos app. In here, tap on the Library tab at the bottom. Then from your Photos list, open up a video that you want to rotate. Next, tap on the Edit button at the top. And in here, tap on the Crop button at the bottom. Next, tap on the Rotate button at the top here. Each time you tap on it, it will rotate your video 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So rotate your video until you find it is suitable, and then tap on Done. And that's it. That is how you can rotate a video on the iPhone 13 series running iOS 15. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.